further, it may surprise some of you to know, I'm a badass.
Yeah.
A few months ago, while waiting for the 4 train at the Lexington Avenue 59th Street station, I saved a man's life. Let's just say he did not mind the gap. 1 foot in train, 1 leg in said gap. And with my brute strength, I lifted him up and threw him into the train before it could take off. That's right, kids. We take our lives into our own hands every day on the subway. Down below the street, can you feel the steady beat of the subway?
Subway.
Moving right along, hear the rhythm loud and strong. It's the subway.
Subway.
'Cause there isn't any room in this town. They put all the trains down under the ground. Swipe your Metro card for a ride that's super hard on the subway.
Subway.
Squeeze inside the door, there's no room for any more on the subway.
Subway.
Hold on to the bar or get thrown across the car on the subway. If you're in a hurry, take the express. It'll go right by your local address. Swaying to and fro, it's the only way to go on the subway.
Subway.
Oh, my stop just went by.
Hey, your thumb's in my eye.
Oh, it's so hot I could die. Anyway, every day. Packed inside the train, it's too crowded to complain on the subway.
Subway. You could lose your purse.
Or you might lose something worse on the subway.
Subway.
It's the biggest travel bargain in town, the longest running show underground. Come on, slip inside, you'll be taken for a ride on the subway.
Subway.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the armchair. Sorry for the delay.
In a hurry, take the express.
It'll go right by your local address. Swipe your Metro card for a ride that's super hard on the subway.